pouvoir comprendre et parler
Oui.
et communiquer
Oui.
en français. Bonjour Steve,
Comment ça va?
ça va très bien, merci.
Bon.
Et toi?
Ah, ben ça va très bien, merci beaucoup. Aujourd'hui, on va parler en français et en
Oui,
anglais. Parce
oui,
que parmi les gens qui nous regardent, il y a des personnes qui ne comprennent pas le français. Tu es d'accord?
d'accord.
Ok. D'accord, là. On ne veut pas entendre le D. C'est d'accord.
D'accord.
D'accord. Bon. Alors, aujourd'hui, c'est notre dernière leçon. Parce que nous avons déjà fait 12. Nous en avons fait 12. En avons fait 12.
C'est
Nous-
vrai.
oui. Et puis, bon, c'est la dernière leçon. Et puis, à partir du 1er septembre, à Link, il y aura, il y a, there will be, il y aura, there will be, il y aura, un défi. Tu sais ce que c'est qu'un défi?
Oui, euh, je suis j'ai hâte
Oui, tu as hâte, oui.
j'ai hâte je suis très impatiente
Oui,
de commencer le
commencer,
défi.
oui. Ben, une chose que tu as dit, je suis très impatiente. Très bien ça, parce que féminin, il faut impatiente. Excellent, excellent. Alors, tu as hâte de participer dans le défi de Link, défi de 90 jours. C'est bien ça, non?
Oui.
Oui. So, we have our 90-day challenge at Link. Alors, quels sont tes objectifs? Qu'est-ce que tu
Euh,
veux? Ouais.
oh, les miens? Les
Oui,
miens?
les tiens, oui, les tiens, oui.
Euh, mes objectifs sont de euh, euh, parler et, euh, et, et entendre bien
Oui,
le français.
oui.
Euh, j'ai 2000.
Tu as quoi? Tu as? Qu'est-ce que tu as dit? J'ai pas entendu.
I have 2000, almost 2000
2000,
known
oui.
words.
Tu as 2000 mots. On peut dire
2000?
mots. 2000 is 2000, right?
Okay,
2000 mots
I can do that.
su, ou connus, mais su. Savoir et le
Si,
participe passé,
oui.
c'est su. Donc, tu as 2000
je,
mots su.
je,
2000 mots que tu connais sur Link. Alors, quel est ton objectif à, à la fin de ces 90 jours? Combien de mots su est-ce que tu veux avoir?
je sais pas, mais mes objectifs sont, how do you say to be able to?
D'être capable, de pouvoir, you could say, mon objectif. Est-ce que tes objectifs, il y en a plusieurs. Ou bien si tu as un objectif principal, c'est de pouvoir parler ou pouvoir comprendre, entendre,
Oui.
enfin, oui,
Pouvoir comprendre et parler
oui,
et communiquer
oui,
en français.
ben oui,
Je, je n'ai, je n'ai pas parlé en français, mais je peux comprendre,
entendre,
entendre un peu.
un peu.
Euh,
Tu parles très, très bien. Je suis très surpris.
Oh, merci. Merci
Oui.
beaucoup. Et parce que j'écoutais
Mhm.
euh, euh, beaucoup
Oui.
le français,
Oui.
et- mais je n'ai pas pratiqué parler.
Voilà, très bien. On peut même dire, tu peux dire, je n'ai jamais parlé. I have never
Je n'ai
spoken.
jamais parlé.
Oui. Donc aujourd'hui, c'est la première fois que tu parles en français.
Oui, oui. I keep on wanting to go to Spanish when I don't
That's
know
okay.
something.
Well, that's fine. It works. It helps actually.
Remind me how to say more than.
Plus que.
Plus que. As soon as I said it, I remembered it.
Yeah.
Um, je n'ai parlé plus que euh, quelques mots.
Quelques mots. All right.
Quelques mots.
Très bien. Est-ce que tu peux partager avec nous ton écran, share your screen, pour montrer tes statistiques et ensuite on pourra voir tes objectifs en termes de buts spécifiques pour le nombre de mots su, le nombre de links créés, le nombre d'heures d'écoute, etc. Est-ce que tu peux partager ton écran avec nous?
D'accord.
Bon.
Ok. Tu veux regarder mon écran?
Oui, mais oui, surtout, je veux regarder ton profil.
Profil.
Oui. Alors, si tu
Et-
vas, tu vois ton icône là, il y a le petit, voilà, non. Il y a, attendez, à droite, en haut, voilà, excellent, excellent. Bon, alors dis-nous un peu ce qu'on voit là.
Mhm. Oui. Ainsi, donc, euh, ici sont mes statistiques.
Oui, oui.
Euh,
Mais est-ce qu'on peut regarder dès le début? Day means from, dès le début. Début,
début is
like a
beginning?
début.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
le début.
So
Okay,
last
all
3 months.
time.
Oh, okay, we can do
Okay,
that.
last.
It's been
Okay.
about 3 months.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's just look at it all.
Mhm.
So,
And we're
donc,
looking at known words. Ça, c'est les mots sûrs. là, qu'on regarde.
should we look at links?
Comme tu veux, mais on peut rester là pour le moment. For the time being, we'll stay there. Restez
Okay.
là. Ce que je vois, c'est que pour les mots sûrs, tu as beaucoup travaillé au début et tu as beaucoup moins travaillé depuis.
um,
OK, c'est pas grave. Parce qu'il y a beaucoup de mots sûrs au début. Ça, peut-être parce que, bon, parce que tu as vu beaucoup de mots qui ressemblent à l'espagnol ou à l'anglais. Donc, tu as
oui,
beaucoup de mots sûrs que tu as pu ajouter à
oui.
ton, voilà, tes statistiques. Regardons maintenant, pas les known words, mais let's see voilà, qu'est-ce que tu... Links created, OK. Ah, alors là, c'est différent. Tu continues à travailler et tu as travaillé fort pendant le mois d'août.
Madut?
Mois d'août, month of August.
Oh,
Tu as beaucoup travaillé
oui.
pendant le mois d'août. Oui.
J'ai
Très bien.
commencé à regarder des clips,
Oui,
de musique et
oui,
pratiquer avec les parents
oui.
en lieu de mini stories.
Au lieu des
Les
mini-stories.
histoires.
OK. Très bien.
Nothing against the mini stories.
I know we got to do what we like to do, though. So
Yeah, I'm just.
the results speak for themselves. You're speaking so well. I'm just amazed. Okay, links created. Let's look at hours of listening.
Oh, okay. And this, I just realized this week that this doesn't, like if I have an embedded YouTube video and I watch
Right.
that in Link, I don't think that's counting towards it. I would have had to play the audio at the top across the screen.
Exactly. So this is, if you want your listening hours to count towards your statistics, you
I need
have to
import.
listen in Link. So if you bring it in as a lesson from YouTube, if you listen to the course audio or if you listen to your playlist, that will count. If you listen to it in some other way, it won't count. But you can manually add.
Right.
But no one ever does that. But
yeah, I haven't taken the time to do it. But I have been listening to a lot of music, but it's just been through the YouTube video for the most part. But as you can see, I've done some listening.
Yep, for sure. Now let's go to your reading. OK. On voit là que tu travailles plus fort maintenant, mois de juillet, mois d'août. C'est très bien ça. Tu lis de plus en plus, more and more. Tu lis de plus en plus. Bon.
Oui, c'est vrai, c'est vrai.
Est-ce que tu as des objectifs spécifiques? OK, concrets? Non.
Non.
OK.
Mais,
pour le défi de 90 jours.
Trying to remember my prepositions.
What do you want to say?
Not yet.
Pas encore.
Pas encore. Pas encore.
Pas encore.
Mais
okay.
Je voudrais.
What's that mean?
I would like to.
Je voudrais.
Je voudrais. Merci. Je voudrais pouvoir parler et entendre le francophone.
Les francophones.
Les francophones. C'est tout.
C'est voilà. Okay. Donc, we'll just finish here. I will say we can maybe finish in English. So we're starting the 90-day challenge on the 1st of September. I'm going to participate. You're going to participate. And we would like as many people as possible to participate. The details will come out next week as we do the first live stream about the 90-day challenge. I will be looking at my statistics. I'm going to focus on Arabic. I've been doing Arabic and Persian and some Turkish over the last little while. I'm going to really focus on Arabic. I'm going to have a good look at my statistics. I suspect that I have a lot of yellow words, links that I've created that I don't know, like tons of them. And so my big goal, and as a result, I listen to my podcast from Al Jazeera, and it's full of yellow words, but I don't really understand what they're saying very well. So I really want to make a breakthrough in my comprehension. So I'm going to be still creating, links, converting blue words to yellow, but my main emphasis is to activate in a way, or at least to understand all my saved links. And so I will announce very specific goals. So, to the extent that you can, I understand you have a general goal to be able to speak and understand, but I have found that if I set myself very specific goals within Link, it drives, obviously, all of us want to understand and speak. I mean, that's what we want to do. That's kind of the general goal. But I think you can use these sort of very specific goals in the Link statistics to drive yourself towards those more general goals.
Yeah, that's so true. This conversation is enlightening me because I haven't really thought of, obviously, I haven't thought so much about putting a numerical goal to the language learning, but trying to practice speaking is a really good reality check. And I think now that I heard you share your goals regarding your statistics, I would like to be able to, I would like to convert more links to known words.
Okay.
And I don't have a number necessarily, but
right. But it helps to have. I always liken these statistics at Link known words. Like people say, oh, well, you don't really know the word if you can't use it. And there's all kind, you can argue about whether, je vais, tu vas, il va, as those three different words or one word, we count them as three words. So you can argue about the meaning of but basically what the statistics do, I always compare it to the dog races. You ever seen these greyhounds that race in the dog races? They have a mechanical rabbit that they chase. Okay, that's why they run fast.
That.
Because there's on the side of the track there's a mechanical rabbit, and they all go chasing after the mechanical rabbit, and that's what these statistics are all about. So if you chase the statistics, everything else happens. So it is worthwhile having. And so at times you think you're not doing anything, and you check your statistics. Yes, I met my goals, and so I would set the goals. And I will say this again when we start our live stream: don't be unrealistic, but don't make them too easy either.
Yeah, I've been on a streak, and it's addictive, but I do have my daily links goal set to the most casual level. So it's pretty easy to make 13 new links a day.
That's very easy. Push yourself a little bit.
Yeah.
And I should say again, I am very surprised at how well you speak. We didn't have a long conversation, but I had the impression that you understood what I was saying. The fact that you say entendre instead of entendre is irrelevant, because in a month or two you will never make that mistake again. But you were able to express yourself. I'm very impressed. And this is strictly based on all of your listening and reading.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So it's cool to see that you can convert, stuff that you read and listen on Link into a conversation, even though I didn't study the script for this conversation beforehand.
For sure,
it was natural and organic.
That's right. Okay, well, Shelby, good luck. And you'll be joining us again for the live streams that we do for the 90-day challenge.
Yes, I'm very excited, and it's going to be really fun because it'll be the first time that we get Link users together on a Zoom call where they can all interact with each other too. So
yeah, we'll describe that in more detail in the live stream. But I think you have some exciting ideas about breakout groups and stuff like that. So should be fun.
Yeah, it's going to be great.
Okay.
Merci beaucoup, Steve.
Merci beaucoup.